Rainy day, guys. As you know, the best time for soup. So I'm gonna make myself some soup. Be raining for 2 days now. As you can see, guys, beautiful view.
You play my heart like a sweet refrain.
Welcome back, guys, to our next epic video, and welcome back to the Greens Family Lifestyle TV. As you can see, guys, we have our corn, so you know what time is it. We're gonna be making corn soup with chicken and yellow yam, guys, so stay tuned. Alright, guys, so first and foremost, you want to go ahead and start. Alright, guys, so first and foremost, you want to go ahead and start cleaning your corn. I just buy these from the farmer's market, guys. Freshly picked. As you can see, I have to get rid of it. It's just simple like that, guys. I'm going to get them all washed up, clean up. So this is the first process of cleaning the corn, guys. That's how you clean corn. You have to remove the trash and these here. So stay tuned, guys, while I have them wash and trim. Already have my corn washed and clean, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them dice. Alright, I did go ahead and have my corn washed, clean, trimmed, and diced, guys, as you can see. So I'm gonna go ahead and have them placed in the pot, because remember we making the corn soup, guys, so we want to have the corn first. Alright, so stay tuned while I place the corn in the soup. Yes, guys, I'm getting my corn in my boiling water, because remember, guys, we want to get the base of the soup just like the corn. So stay tuned, guys. I already placed my salt, so I'm gonna go ahead and have my chicken clean, cut up, and place in it also. So stay tuned. Alright, guys, as you can see, I did go ahead and have my chicken clean and cut up. So I'm gonna go ahead and have it re-washed, guys. So stay tuned while I place it in the pot. Alright, guys, I'm gonna get my chicken inside the pot right now. And this is an easy cook, guys. It's Friday, so you don't want to be standing around the stove forever. Alright, guys, as you can see the progress, we're gonna let that cook for 10 minutes. So stay tuned while I go ahead and have my onion and stuff seasoning placed in the pot also, guys. Guys, I'll go ahead and have my natural seasoning clean. As you can see, I have garlic, carrot, some thyme, and a scallion and onion. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it up, guys. As you can see, guys, I'm chopping my carrot. I'm making two of them, guys. Some is little, some is big. I'm doing two sides. Alright, guys, I'm going to go ahead with my onion. Alright, guys, I'm not going to use the full onion. I have 3 slices. I'm going to get it in the pot. So stay tuned, guys. Alright, guys, I'm going to get my natural season in. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, as you see I have my yellow yam. But first I buy it from the store guys, so I have to make sure it's good. Because sometimes those yam they be having in the store, it's a waste of money. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some slices, guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned while I have the yam wash. Alright, here is the yam. I already washed it up, so I'm going to have it placed in the pot with the meat. So stay tuned guys. And then you give it a stir guys. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Within the next 15 minutes guys, I'll be adding my powder seasoning and my finalizing of my potato and stuff. So stay tuned guys. And please remember to like, share and subscribe. Alright guys, as you can see I have the flour to make my dumplings, which is soup dumplings. So I'm going to go ahead and start making it guys. Already add my salt. That's how I had a lot of water guys, so you know I have less time to have my fingers in it. Just a little bit more water guys. And that's the final of the water. Okay, you don't want to add too much water, see? You don't want to add too much. I know the flour in there could finalize it, that's why I added a little bit. Alright guys, so stay tuned. I'm going to have them knead, make, and place inside of the pot. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and add my dumplings. I'm making two types of dumpling for this soup, guys. Two. Rolly and soupy. I'll make half of them the soupy and then the next half the rolly. That's the original corn soup, guys. I don't know if you guys ever had the corn soup or you guys just put the chicken and the corn and they say it's corn soup. In corn season, guys, when we plant corn, that's how we ready to form and cook the corn soup. Roast some of them, boil some of them. Tripsy. Alright, so I'm gonna do some rolly now, guys. Then when I add this, guys, I'm gonna add a little water. As you can see, the pot is not really full with water, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna get in a little water. And then I'm gonna do a little stir, guys. The pot is hot, so I have to draw from a pot holder. I normally go from the bottom, guys. I know you see the dumplings, they're shrinking, but I just shift the bottom. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright guys, check in, let's check the progress of the soup. So guys, as you can see, it's coming on perfectly. So only thing is missing now, guys, is the seasoning. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it together and have it placed in the pot. And please remember to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead with my natural seasoning. As you can see, guys, I have the oregano. I'm gonna put a tablespoon, and please do remember to use your measuring utensils, guys. I have the Maggi. I'm gonna put a teaspoon. And guys, I have the cup noodle. I use a strainer, guys. And then I just sieve. Because I'm not using the noodles, guys. A lot of people, I don't know, a lot of people would add water to it in a cup. As you can see, guys, it still came out. A few noodles escaped, but that's okay. I have a second one, guys. Same treatment. So guys, you see the reason why I didn't add any powder seasonings yet? See how much powder is in the noodles? Like, share, and subscribe, guys. Like the video. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Guys, for the extra noodles, I did put it in a cup, add some water, and extract the extra seasoning that was being stuck up inside of it. As you can see, it's on top. So what I do, I add it to this. And then you could use your strainer, guys. So as you can see, I extract everything. So what I do at this stage, guys, I just blend in my seasoning because I'm getting it ready for my soup pot. Rich, guys, see? That's gonna be the texture of the soup. This is the base of the soup right here, guys. So stay tuned, guys, while I add my seasoning to the soup. Alright guys, checking the progress. It's going good. So I'm adding my seasoning, guys, as you can see. Then I'm gonna add a little extra water to get the extras out of this bowls, guys. Then I want to give it a stir. Because remember, guys, I'm not making the pumpkin soup. I'm making the corn. Flavored corn. Yeah. See that, guys? I know a lot of you be like, why is soup is so white? Here you have it. Everything take time and we add it stage by stage. We don't do everything slam bam, guys. So stay tuned, guys, and watch the progress. Yeah, guys, my final touch. And you know the deal. Some diced potato, guys. You can't go with the corn without the potato. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna just mix it And you know, after this, guys, we just leave it, let it boil, and then we have it plated. What do you think? The pot is too small, or I need a bigger pot? Leave it in the comments, guys. Let me know if I need a bigger pot. Yes, guys, as you can see, we have the finished product of the soup, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and do a taste test, guys. As you can see, we have the corn, and we use the corn to get the base of the soup, guys. I know you guys see it. So I'm gonna do a quick taste test, guys. Oh wow, that oregano is standing out, guys. If you don't have a jar, go and get one as soon as possible, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in this soup, and stay tuned for more epic videos, guys.
When we dance, it's